Hello from Dancing Sun Farm here at the San Angelo, Texas Sheep and Goat Expo in San Angelo, Texas. What a great first day. We had a field day where we had the round robin where we talked about several things: parasite management, wool, showed us some of the facilities here in San Angelo. And then later in the afternoon we had a series of talks, parasite management again, talked about some shearing techniques, had several talks on how to cook lamb, and we had a practical exercise on judging and what when they go to the auction, what do they look for and how they're judged. So we have a lot of vendors here. You can see some tractors here, bobcats. We're at the tail end of the first day. We had a congressman here that worked on the farm bill. We had a cooking class today, which was really neat. They showed us how to cook, lamb and goat. I mean, just different recipes, which is really nice. So more to follow.